Alright, tubers, this is 16 Yukon Denali with a problem with a brake booster. It lost the boost. The brakes are there, but it lost the boost. They changed the booster didn't help. It shows a vacuum leak as a code, and the problem is this vacuum pump. This is the vacuum pump. Okay, this piece, it needs to be replaced. We opened it up, and there's very little vacuum coming out of it. Okay, common issue. I had another one like that just about 2 or 3 days ago. All right, I'll update you on the results once we get it in. Thank you.